There are a number of treatments for age spots. The least invasive age spot removers are generally available as creams. Creams containing vitamin A or alpha hydroxy typically work best. These ingredients help to exfoliate the skin as well as encourage the growth of spot-free skin. An age spot remover that contains vitamin E is especially effective to improve and heal damaged skin. If you do not see an improvement in your skin after using an over-the-counter age spot remover cream, you should contact your doctor for a stronger medication. A prescription age spot treatment will often contain stronger bleaching agents that will work by fading the age spots. While using an age spot remover with bleaching properties, exposure to the sun should be limited. Extended sun exposure could cause hypopigmentation and cause white spots on the skin. If you are looking for a more invasive age spot remover, you may want to consider getting a chemical peel or dermabrasion. Both procedures are performed by skincare professionals and can successfully reduce the appearance of age spots. Both dermabrasion and chemical peels work by gradually removing the upper layer of the skin. Unfortunately, these age spot remover treatments can cause discomfort but will provide immediately visible results. Cryotherapy is an ideal treatment if there are only a few spots. During cryotherapy, the spots are frozen and the pigment is broken up. The broken pigment improves the appearance of the spots. Although effective, there are risks associated with cryotherapy. Scarring or discoloration of the skin could result from the treatment. Laser therapy can also be used to reduce the appearance of age spots. Laser therapy may not be ideal for everyone with age spots because the cosmetic procedure is expensive. The treatment is typically not covered by standard medical insurance and several sessions may be needed to achieve desired results. Before you consider undergoing any treatment or therapy for age spots, you should consult with your physician or dermatologist. Cancerous growths can be masked by age spots. If the spots are removed, it could be more difficult to detect cancerous growths. You should undergo a thorough skin cancer screening before undergoing age spot treatment.